Jesse,
Yeah.
do you play Valorant?
I do not.
Idiot.
Dang! Holy shit! Straight savage. What is going on?
Yeah, listen, I mean, if you're gonna kill me, just like wait until my download's done. Okay.
John's here. I can't kill you now.
Well, I mean, you could.
Hey guys,
I
can I
mean,
show
if
you
John was
something?
the other
Like
imposter.
you're actually doing it.
I want to show you something inside this vent.
Oh yeah.
Inside the vent, let me see. Yeah, let's go.
jump in.
So hop in.
You guys go
Are we
first,
wait?
though.
Are we taking this vent?
Yeah.
We're cleaning
Yeah,
his
I
vents,
think we're all-
guys.
I think we're
Let's
taking-
go.
I'm pretty sure my cat went down there. Can we go grab it?
Oh, my button's not
Yeah,
working.
yeah. Let's go
Oh,
get
Yeah,
your
my
cat.
vent button isn't working either.
can't-
I don't know
it's
what's
It's a
going
great
on.
time for
Yeah,
a stack
let's,
kill.
Something's wrong here right now.
Wait, what do you
real
mean?
wrong.
Yeah,
Something-
Are we taking the vent?
Yeah, we're just hold on.
Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah?
Hey,
Yeah, we
Yes.
need to call.
going
Are
on?
we taking the
Hey.
vent?
We need to call
Okay.
maintenance.
Yeah, we're
for
trying to
this.
get in the
Jesse.
vent. We're just
This
cleaning
is
it.
Jesse, wait, no, Jesse,
Unacceptable.
Jesse.
This is
Kill.
this brings this game to a whole new level.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
That'd be really funny if I got imposter for a third time in a row, right, guys?
Vote him
Right?
out.
Nope,
Right?
put him out, put him out.
Vote him
Right?
out.
Emergency
Hey, let me
meeting
go do
right
the
now.
same
Emergency.
task
Wait,
I
wait,
faked
wait,
2
wait,
rounds
wait,
in a
wait,
row.
Emergency.
Oh wait,
Lotion,
never mind. Not
please
this
don't
one.
Are we
kill me.
actually?
Don't kill me. Oh my god.
No! I'm doing my download. You guys can't vote
Nope,
me out.
Not even. Nope. I'm not even playing. I'm not even playing with
No,
you.
no, 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 no.
I'm not even.
You
No.
can't vote me out. You can't vote me out. This is
Vanderbro's
ridiculous.
just like, I've been there. I've been the imposter
voting
7
Vanderbro.
games in a
I'm
row.
skipping. I'm skipping.
Not even.
I'm voting
Can't
Vanderbro.
I'm skipping. No.
That makes me wanna vote out.
No.
I voted for Vanderbro, so...
Okay. Simon says done. Killing is allowed.
Still.
Who's chasing?
What the
What's
fuck?
going on? What's going on?
It looks like Joey's
Still.
chasing
Please,
Suze.
come here.
Cool, and I can go do navigation in O2.
How many?
Ah.
Okay,
Okay.
good.
I don't know.
Jonathan's
Oh shit,
scaring
no, it's
me.
gonna be double kill! Run!
No,
Run!
Jonathan's scaring
Run!
me.
Run!
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 Where are you running? Why are you running?
Oh my god, me!
What is so funny, guys?
I
What's
just
the
keep
joke?
hearing run, run, and it goes away, but then it comes back.
Bobby,
What is
it was me,
happening?
Bobby, and Vanderbro.
I'm trying to stay close enough so that when
Jesse.
when you killed Vanderbro, I could
God.
report it.
He's just running back and forth. We're all standing still, and then Bobby's just going back and forth. Run! Run!
From who?
Okay.
I don't know!
It's
It was the 4 of us.
it's Jess, John, me, and Bobby. And as soon as lights went out, Bobby was freaking out.
Okay.
Oh my god.
If you're the
Alright.
imposter,
Alright.
kill
Hey,
Bobby,
who wants to
please.
come with me to do wires?
Yo, I'm doing wires too. Are you
Doing wires?
Wait, no, I'm doing this one.
You
Come back.
want.
Wait, I'm doing this one. Wait, hold up. Wait,
Bobby, yo,
wait.
Bobby, come back.
Hold on.
Vanderbro, okay, come on.
Let's-
All right, let's go kill
wait,
Bobby.
That was pretty fast.
Let's go kill Bobby.
Alright.
All right, let's
All
go
right, where's
kill
Bobby at?
Probably an electrical.
Bobby,
doing
back,
wires?
Bobby,
Oh,
you
yeah,
back
Suze
here?
killing
Bobby,
me.
you back
Done.
here?
Suze,
All right, there we go. I
why?
killed him.
Okay.
Stop killing
Kill
me,
Bobby.
Suze! Hey, someone killed him! Yay! I'm
What's
skipping
going on,
'cause
guys?
I'm happy.
That is kind of the downside.
And John
of this
Mack,
right
and
now.
I, John Mack and I have been together for most of this. I guess
I think
Matt
I
could have
think it's
killed when he
Bobby.
got there, but
Wow, that sucks.
I
mean,
said I guess.
Sure.
I'm
No,
not-
I mean, I guess. No, go
it's
ahead.
not a
go
hard.
s-
It's not a.
Send
It's,
me out to the wolves, and
it's
when they
not.
kill you,
No,
you'll
I
know.
said it. No, it's not a hard.
I think we
sus.
should vote off
I'm-
Vanderbro
I meant
because
up-
he didn't kill me, but I told him to, which is kind of
Well,
fucked
yeah,
up.
because my kill button.
I mean, that
wasn't
is
working.
messed up. I mean, listen, if you're gonna ask to be killed, then
Look, I told him and Edmund I wanted to die. Okay.
I
don't-
presented myself. Booty first.
did you
Booty
spread
first.
eagle?
Hey,
Hi, John.
you guys want to see something cool?
Kill me.
Yeah.
What? What's going on?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. It's okay.
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Go into specimen at all. Hell.
Hey, John, is it you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and then see if anybody's dead.
I'm
Is
dead.
anybody dead?
I'm dead.
Whoa.
Is anybody
Whoa.
dead?
Look at me. I'm dead.
I don't like this. I feel like we're splitting. No,
Oh.
Gnarly's going down. Apparently.
That sucks.
That was so innocent. That was so innocent.
Gnarly.
It was so innocent.
Ah,
That sucks.
You know, I never went to Specimen, but I don't really care.
Oh. I don't have anything in Specimen.
No?
I still have to go fake keys.
Oh, okay. Well, lights are out. Who's your friend?
Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me.
What the hell?
What the hell was that? That was amazing. Oh, I don't know where you went.
I don't
Where are
know.
you going?
I don't know. I'm just fucking walking around.
All right. Well.
Here, wait, hold on. I need to check something real quick. Nope, I'll be there.
Yeah, the
Was it-
unfortunate thing about me and Jonathan being in the same house is I can hear him cackling
Right.
when Bobby died. So Jonathan, I think, knows something.
Nah, just laughing because
Battery's having a good time. This proximity
Uh-huh.
chat,
You hear
man.
people just go, don't kill me, don't kill me,
Some
don't, like running across
don't touch
the
me,
map.
don't
It's
touch me.
hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't-
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm suspicious of Jonathan and Vanderbro.
That is such bullshit.
That's so stupid. We're not even
We
in
can't even have
lab.
a good time without being sussed.
Vanderbro! No!
You didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing.
I saw you!
Didn't see nothing, huh?
No, you saw nothing either.
Sure, bro.
Kill me! It's the only way to shut me up! Come on! You know it! Come on!
Give me the,
Let's go, Riley!
give me
You
the
gonna kill me up here?
hiccups.
You gonna kill me up here? Come
I'm
on,
Give me the
Riley!
hiccups.
I'm not gonna.
I dare you.
I'm not gonna
Do
say
it.
anything. I won't say anything.
Come on, Riley.
Just do it.
Come on, Riley.
Just
Go
go
ahead,
ahead.
kill me. You know, if I don't have to worry
All right, I
about
won't
it.
look. I won't look. I won't look.
Gnarly, where'd you go? Come back!
What is going on over here?
yeah.
He's still
No,
following
keep an eye
her.
on Ray.
Let's just
She won't
roll
leave you
killer, you
alone.
guys.
I'm learning to say
Orange
she's
is
badgering
dead.
me.
I'm leaving for the double
Orange
kill.
has been dead since last round.
Do, 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 do.
You know, hold your breath for like 30 seconds.
I have asthma. I can't do that.
Hey, wait, Mac.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh wait,
Come on.
what up?
Hey, what's going on, John?
Dad.
Hey, nope. Leave us alone.
Chair!
Oh no!
Wait, what the hell?
Why
What
would
happened?
you do that, Jessica?
What the hell?
Crime scene!
I was trying to talk to Mac. What happened?
This is ridiculous.
I don't.
I thought Jonathan was going to be dead in comms.
Wait, what?
Where's comms? Oh, in the right, the
Ow.
upload area.
Nice hiccups.
This is Ray's fault.
Pretty.
Wait, and then you killed her?
No, I didn't kill her. She's been chasing me, making me laugh. I can't do anything, and my eyes are closed. It hurts to hiccup. I have asthma.
Wow. That was the perfect time for hiccup.
So,
right,
who
so
did
we-
it,
Oh,
guys?
you actually pulled the report? I thought I hit it.
No, I reported because someone killed her. I need to get my fucking inhaler.
Oh no!
Uh,
So, boys, what happened?
Well, you see.
Why'd you do it, Jess?
What?
was it Jess that killed Ray when we walked in?
No, I walked in right after you guys left, and the body was already dead.
Look. I'm gonna. I could be third impostering, but it's Jess or John because Mac and I were leaving that room.
I mean, Gnarly definitely killed Ray right on top of me.
I was.
Sure.
He was right behind me. I don't.
I really don't know who it was.
I think it's either Gnarly or Jonathan, but I'm not sure. I walked in and the body was still standing,
I'm
We
gonna
can-
vote John then.
but they were both close enough.
I.
Vote for
voting
me because
John.
this game needs to keep going because it's fucking hilarious.
Okay. No arguments there.
I'm done with tasks, so.
Oh Lord.
Another round of third impostering.
You looking at me like that for?
Get away from me! You're chasing me.
You gonna kill me
I
like?
think it's Mike.
What the fuck? Matt,
He's chasing
come on,
me.
man. Come on. You were looking
I
at me
went up
the way
there,
you were looking
saw it
at
was
Ray.
him.
No, you were looking at me the way you looked at Ray
Nope.
when you killed her.
I don't like this.
Hey,
Hi.
what's this over here?
Vanderbro, what was... You have something to say?
I was seeing if the killer would come back to the scene of the crime, and it looks like you did.
Yeah?
Yep.
That sounds suspect. So which one
Alright,
you guys
well,
did it.
Well, no.
it's Vanderbro,
I was waiting.
so...
Where did you even come from? Came from that
Where
vent
did you
over in the
come
corner.
from? How would you know there's a vent in the corner?
Because I've played this map before.
Hmm.
It's Lib, Mac. It's Lib.
Interesting. It's Vanderbro, I
100%.
promise. I was on vitals and I
It's
saw
just
Jessica
so hard.
die.
I don't know what vitals are.
It shows when people are alive or dead.
It's a tough call.
It's Vanderbro, 100%.
That is nope, not even. She came out of the vent after she killed her.
Watch it be gnarly.
Yeah, I know.
What? Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Hiccups are gone.
Oh.
100% gnarly kill rate.
I'll do it again,
100%.
gnarly. I do it again.
It was such a dirty kill. I was like, no, I can't report that. I can't.
You got the killer.
Couldn't do it. I didn't have it in me.
From the
Alright.
hiccups, gnarly.
Well, that was a good one to end on.
Yeah.
That was ridiculous.
It's so easy to fake this one.
All right, I think
That was beautiful.
that if anything, what we
killer.
have learned today is that proximity is the way to play this game.
I'm not lost just yet, but I keep losing myself, and it feels hopeless. And this night goes on, and this might just be the last song that I sing. If it doesn't
Terrible.
How's it feel, Vanderbro?
How much are you paying us for this content?
Yeah, that'd be
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, you know,
I got a Venmo.
we need some.
I got PayPal,
All right.
Cash App.